back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a makeup video. I'm still not sure what it's going to be. I think I'll figure out a name after I do the video. So I'm going to start off and I hope you enjoy it. To start off, I'm going to apply a primer from Essence. It helps to reduce the redness, preparing the skin very nicely to the foundation. Next, I'm going with concealer. This one is from Art Deco and it has full coverage. I covered my dark circles, redness around my nose, and some acne scars and dark spots that I have. This one is from Essence. It is really good for summer as it is lightweight and has decent coverage, giving you a natural look. I blended it all over my face using a cushion puff, going as well on my neck so it is all even. After this, I'm going to use a powder from Too Faced just to settle everything in, though not using too much because we still want to look natural. And this is my face done. Now I'm going to move into brows. I'm using my NYX micro brow pencil in the color ash brown. First I brush them in to remove any leftover product like foundation or powder. And I'm going to fill them in naturally, focusing on their natural shape while filling the empty spots and giving them some definition. And this is how the brows look. Now I'm going to apply my MAC paint pot in the color Painterly. I apply it all over my eyes and on my lower lash line as well. Moving into eyeshadow, I'm going to use this very beautiful quad from 3CE. And I'm applying the middle shade all over my eyelids, intensifying it bit by bit. I applied some as well on my lower lash line. Still using the same quad, I'm going to use the darker shade to deepen out the look, giving some more definition to the eye. Then I blended everything with a clean blending brush to remove any harsh edges. I also went with the same shadow on my lower lash line. more youthful and cute look, I'm going to use this glitter from 3CE, which is a champagne pink with silver and gold shimmer in it. I applied it on my inner corners, going a bit. Now moving into mascara, I'm going to use this one from L'Oreal, which is one of my favorites, and I use it in a daily basis. It gives a natural look without clumping my lashes. This is how the eyes look. Now I'm going to contour my face using a blush from Holika in the color Gentle Brown. It is a contour shade and gives a subtle definition to my face. I applied it on my jawline, on the sides of my face, a bit on my forehead, and on the sides of my nose as well. I'm going to use an eyeshadow from Kiko Milano. It is a very beautiful tangerine color that gives you this summer touch while looking cute. It has a bit of shimmer in it, which helps to give a bit more glow to the skin. Now I'm using a cream shadow as an highlighter, which is from Primark. I apply it on top of my cheeks, my nose, and my cupid's bow. One of the last steps is lipstick. I'm using this one from 3CE. It's a lip tint in the color Going Right, and it is a rosy peach color with a velvety matte texture. To finish the look, I'm spraying my face with MAC Fix Plus. And this is the final look. Here are the eyes, the face, and lips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!